Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then download this app from this developer. When it's ready, select Open. And in order to use it, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Android smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then select Send on Samsung and Receive on an Android. Following that, you need to click on all of those type of dots, and when you're ready, choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got It. Now on an Android, click on No Thanks and close this window. As you can see now, we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive. Either way, after a couple of seconds. So sorry, I just made a typo. So now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!